Hey there, today I will be showing you how to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger, and here is how. To begin, let us launch Messenger from this link. Then, simply click the three dots on the upper left corner to access the settings menu on the upper right corner. You can view the various options right here, next to our name. And now that we have seen the safety and privacy, let us continue. When we click on the app log for end-to-end encrypted chat, two options will appear: security alerts and logins. Here, confirm that the security alert is turned off. For sending and receiving end-to-end encrypted messages or making phone calls, go to the login sections right here. If you wish to delete this login from distinct devices, you must log out on this account. In order to get end-to-end encrypted messages, if you have several accounts and you don't use one or both of them. Apparently, some people do not have end-to-end encrypted chats. In this case, what should we do? What is the alternative option? The next thing that we are going to do, if you don't have ENC encrypted chats at this time, is to simply allow you to return to your chats. Now, what we are going to do is just press down on that individual and click delete this conversation. We will then remove the entire conversation and begin a new chat with that person to have a regular conversation. In order to verify that there is no end-to-end encryption for that individual, we will simply click the pencil icon located at the top right of the screen. As you can see, this individual has started a new chat, indicating that there is no end-to-end encryption on this particular chat. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.